Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. So today what I have for you guys is gonna be like what I eat in a day pregnant, and I'm already out of breath. And so yeah, I'm gonna let you guys know which things I've been eating during my second trimester. Today I am 17 weeks and 4 days, so every Wednesday I turn another day another week. So yeah, my journey has been super difficult when it comes to eating. I am always hungry. I eat like every hour, I want to say, and sometimes I just don't have energy and I'm already like nauseous, dizzy, and then I just can't be making food all the time. So I don't know. So in this video I made it work, and I just ate, like, you know, whatever. And I've been having issues like coming up with recipes and ideas of what to eat. I feel like I'm blocked. Like, if you know me, you know I love to cook, but I feel mentally drained, like mentally like blocked. Like I have no idea what to eat. So please leave some recipes down below so I can eat. But yeah, let's get right into the video. All right guys, so we're gonna start with breakfast, and my days start very late. I think it's like 12:45 or something, or 12:30. But I'm actually gonna go in my pantry and I'm gonna take not the healthy bread, but this butter bread. And guys, now pregnant, I love this bread. I can't eat the other breads. I try, but this one just tastes so buttery, so delicious, and I'm obsessed with carbs, as you can see. So I'm just going to put it on the toaster, and I have to clean my toaster, so don't judge me. But yeah, I'm just gonna put some butter, and the one I've been liking is this one from Land Lakes. I know there's better butter out there, guys, but yeah. And I'm just gonna start my kettle real quick. I've been loving teas in the morning. I need to drink tea, especially this one I'm going to show you guys. It just makes me feel so good in the mornings, and it helps with my nausea and everything. So yeah, it's awesome. And I'm going to put a very large, decent amount of butter, because this is like what gets me through the day, guys. I'm just being raw here. I'm just letting you know. And yeah, this is the tea that I was talking about to you guys. This is the Cozy Chamomile Herbal Tea. I try not to take so much tea, but in the morning sometimes I have to. I'm going to use this mom mug that my friend Kayla gave me, that I am obsessed with, and I think it's just super cute. And I'm going to use my organic raw honey. Me and Josua love honey, so we always have honey. So I love adding this to my tea instead of sugar for some reason. I feel like honey tastes so much better, and so that's what I'm going to be adding. And now that I'm done, I'm just gonna go sit down quickly, because if I wait too long to eat right when I get up, it just ruins my whole day. I get nauseous, sick, and yeah, it's not fun. So now we're just gonna get to lunch. I know it's a little late. I started my day really late, so I'm just gonna preheat the oven real quick to I think I did 385. I did bump it up, I think, to 400 like later on, but I just did that. And then I'm just gonna do some potatoes. I was craving some oven baked potato wedges, so that's what I'm doing. This seasoning, I'm gonna put everything in the screen of what seasoning it is, because it is one that I got from HelloFresh, and then I just saved the rest. So I want y'all to look it up, because it's literally so delicious. Like, I don't know what's in it, so I'm just gonna leave it in the screen so you guys could try it if you want to. And I'm just gonna leave this part here because I know you guys love the sound. And yeah, I'm just gonna drizzle some avocado oil and some salt, some pepper, some of that seasoning, and then massage it with my hands. And that's pretty much it. It's so super easy, and it's delicious. I'll pop it in the oven. And guys, I'm obsessed with carbs. I just cannot stop eating carbs. It just makes me feel so good inside. So just gonna put that in the oven for 17 minutes, and then I'm just gonna keep eating, because if I stop eating I start getting dizzy. So I'm just gonna drink some of my Naked juice that I've been loving. It's the mango flavor, and it's literally been my favorite, guys. It's so good. Now I'm just gonna take it out of the oven, and oh my god, if you guys could smell how delicious it smells. And I just love carbs, and yeah, I don't know what to say. And I'm gonna add some salami. Don't ask me why I added salami. I really did not know what to eat it with, and I'm Dominican, I'm obsessed with salami, so I ate it with salami, y'all. And literally right after that, I got hungry again. I got so sick, so I just ate one of these rice cakes that I've been loving, and add peanut butter to them, and I am completely obsessed with it, guys. Like, oh, peanut butter and rice cake, oh my god, the caramel ones, it's so delicious, and it's carbs, and I love it, and I eat like every hour, so I'm just gonna enjoy this. It was so good, guys. Like, delicious. So now I'm just gonna enjoy this with some water. And guys, I forgot to drink water throughout the day, so I need to remind myself, because yeah, I'm probably dehydrated right now talking. It's really bad. But yeah, definitely drink water, and that's pretty much it. And I'm actually gonna try this little, what is it, like vitamin boost thing with ginger and like other stuff. I've been trying it, but it actually wasn't that good. So now we're just gonna go straight into dinner. I'm gonna put in my pot, put some avocado oil and some salt, and I'm just going to do some rice. And the rice I'm using is actually Yasmin rice. I've never used it before. Today was my first time. And don't cook this too long, because yeah, this rice is really quick. And I'm actually gonna make some chicken. These are thin chicken breasts, really cut little thin. I'm gonna put some garlic powder, some Dominican oregano, which is delicious, some salt and pepper, and some avocado oil. Oh my god, I use this avocado oil on everything. Like, I'm obsessed with this avocado oil. Like, I don't use my regular canola oils and everything. I just use avocado oil, and it's like so healthy, and it tastes so good, and it is a little bit more expensive, but hey, it's for your health, so definitely give it a try. And I just went to check on my rice, and it's going pretty good. I did add a little bit too much water, so I actually went in and took some of the water out, because I noticed the rice was like getting mushy already. And then I just took some of my panko crumbs, and I added it to a plate. And I actually seasoned my panko crumbs, because I like to add more flavor to the outside. So I did some garlic, and I did some, I think, salt and pepper, and that's pretty much it. And guys, I do use plastic plates, because now pregnant, like, you guys don't know how much like dishes I have to do, and I cannot be standing. So I know some people are gonna hate me for using plastic plates, but I'm just gonna do what I gotta do for me now. And I am gonna spray the little pan with some of my avocado spray oil, so the chicken won't stick. And then I know this step looks really gross, and I know some people are probably gonna like kill me for this, but yeah, I just had to include it here. I'm sorry. I know the egg and the chicken and everything looks gross, but I'm just gonna pop this in the oven, and I'm just gonna leave it in there for 25 minutes. But I did leave it for almost 40 minutes, and I changed it from bake to broil, and I put it, I think, at 400, because it was just not baking fast. And meanwhile, that's done. Another snack that I'm gonna eat is some cereal, and this is just the one that I've been liking, guys. And yeah, and I use this organic milk from Walmart. And then to go with my rice and chicken, I actually did this just regular salad with cucumbers, and added some avocado oil and salt and pepper and vinegar. And my chicken is done, and this is how it looks. It was actually really good, and I've been obsessed with salad. And then after on this day, I actually made some Dominican cake. I don't know why, but so now it's time to go to sleep. Finally, a whole day of eating, and I'm just gonna just fill my water and go upstairs and go to sleep. And at this time, I'm just already like over the day, to be honest. It was a hard day. I was dizzy, nauseous so many times because I just didn't know what to eat. Although I was eating, I wasn't getting full. So I think that this little boy is just sucking all my energy. So yeah, so I'm just gonna go upstairs, which I hate the stairs, guys. I hate them. I'm gonna take my prenatals, and these are the ones that I'm taking. These I actually got from my doctor, and these don't make me extra nauseous, so that's why I kind of been loving them. And then this is how they look. That's the size. And then I also have my Ritz crackers next to me on my bed table because, guys, I get really nauseous at night, so yeah. And then I also put this Burt's Bees in my stomach, and I had to tell my husband to go downstairs and get me some cereal because I started getting really nauseous, and it was because I was hungry, and I can't believe I was hungry. But yeah, guys, this is my little belly. I just think it looks so cute with my little yellow shirt. Alright guys, so that was the video. It ended a little rough for me. I usually don't get nauseous when I'm going to sleep. I don't know why I got nauseous this day, but as you saw, I had to tell my husband to go get me some cereal. So I got so nauseous when I was eating the cereal. Well, before I was eating the cereal, I started getting nauseous and hungry, and I'm like, why am I hungry? I just ate like so much rice, and the rice that you guys saw me eating, I actually ate it in 2 portions. I ate a little bit, and then like an hour and a half later I ate the other half, because I cannot overeat. Overeating makes me feel nauseous. So yeah, I don't know what happened, to be honest. I got so nauseous, and then I just had to stop eating the cereal. And then I started eating crackers, and it didn't work. And then I drank water, it didn't work. And I just had to lay there and just like wait until it just until my nausea just went away. And I literally, like, no joke, started like crying because I just felt so bad. And I hate crying because I'm like, there's something so beautiful, you know? So like, why are you like so sad about it? But I just felt horrible, and I just had to go to sleep. So it was definitely rough. I got so hungry, like, God, whoa, like it's crazy. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys. God bless you, and I will see you guys very soon in my next video. Bye guys.